wawala yan. Wala na siya. Oh, anong building? Ha? Anong building?
Something by Victoria. Something by Victoria.
Something by Victoria. Doon sa baka si Natalie Victoria yan. Si Nat pala yan. Yan, Star Wars Museum. The British Museum. Vloggers Cabinet. Hi guys, we're here. We're here where?
Melbourne.
Under there, underwear.
Melbourne Museum.
Siyempre doon tayo sa libre. Doon lang tayo papasok sa libre.
Okay.
Yun o, the Dome Promenade.
Dome.
Ah, it's the Royal Exhibition Building. Yan, display ng mga puno. Naman tayong lalagyan ng tubig. Come on, we're here now. Here, museum entrance.
I'm gonna need to stretch.
Stretch.